Hey guys, so today I am going to show you how to use Google Forms. So I'm going to go ahead and just click on a blank one. Let's make a party invitation. So you can say anything on here that you want. They have a box for description, so we're just going to say, please RSVP. Okay, and then we can just have question 1 can be name, and if you click on this box, it can give you multiple things of your answer can be. So you could have, they could write in a short answer, paragraph, multiple choice, check boxes, drop down. Or there's a scale, and you can make that 1 to 5, 1 to 10, however far you want. Multiple choice grid and a checkbox grid, sorry. So this is really good for like assignments and stuff. But for now, we'll click short answer. That way they can type in their answer. And then I'm going to go over here and click add a question. You can keep doing whatever you want. You can say, I'm not quite sure, but we'll be eating snacks. Okay, and then see, we can make it multiple choice, but let's do checkboxes. Option 1. Yes, and then you click add another, and then it can be no. Okay, and you can make them required. So this, you just click that, it'll make them required. So we'll make that one required too. So we're just gonna be done with that, and I will show you. Here is a preview. See? And then you would type it all in, checkbox, or you can type in other if you're going to put maybe, and then you hit submit. And I think this is a great website for anything. So hope that helped. Now let's go to Quizlet. So on Quizlet, you just click create. And on here, let's name it winter time, or winter, we'll just name it winter. Okay, and be sure you can make it visible to everyone or only editable by me, blah, blah, blah. Okay, here you would type a term. So if we type in the term winter, and it automatically does English for us. You don't have to type your own definition. You can actually click auto define. Oh, well, we have to choose English, sorry. Then we can click auto define. So I will do this one because to me that makes more sense. Then you can also add an image. So that to me helps. We'll do one more. We'll do Christmas because Christmas is in the winter. So this time you don't have to keep making it English unless you're changing the words into a different language. We'll do that one. And then we can add a pretty little picture of a tree. So when you're done, you can do as many cards as you want. But when you're done, you hit create. Then you can copy, paste it, whatever you want. Or you can do any of these. So if we click on learn, it's going to ask you the definition, and then you would click on the answer. and click on the answer. See? And then that one's all done. Then you can type in the answer. It's really good. Oh, did not mean to click that. Okay, or you can do flashcards. Any of these would be helpful to any child. So it gives you all the cards. Oh wait. You click it to flip it. Then there's another one, and I like that it will read it off to you. So if you guys want to use this, you can just play around with any of those, but I think that this website is very good too. So I hope that you guys enjoyed my video, and thank you for listening.